dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, which a lot of you are, my name is Nacine. I'm 37 years old. I do mostly keto vlogs every day. I do reviews on keto products. I do grocery keto hauls. I do all things keto, meal preps, etc., etc. I do a lot of full day of eatings in my vlogs, and that's what today is. So without further ado, here's my normal intro. Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nacine. I'm 37. I've lost over 78 pounds on keto. I have 4 beautiful kids, a floofy fluffy husky, 2 kitty kitties, and I love the clicky clickies. That helps my channel grow, gets me into the YouTube universe, which helps other people see, and then they come and then they comment and all the things. So today was a coworker's birthday, and so we got Jimmy John's. So while they all have their carb fueled sandwiches, my boss was nice enough to get me a unwich. So I just got the turkey BLT, and he also got a bucket of pickles. So I had a pickle spear. So I'm gonna open up my unwich and then I will show you what it looks like basically. So it's just turkey, it's a BLT, and some water. I brought my big cup back. I gotta up my water game, you guys. So is my technical weight right now 228.4? That's what I weighed in at this morning. Yesterday I was 229. I know I'm holding on to water and other issues. As you know, I got some great suggestions on what to take, like ox bile and stuff, for helping my body break down things easier since I don't have a gallbladder. It's not really an issue, but lately some things have been changing with my body, and I've just been having a harder time going to the bathroom than usual. And I've never had an issue not having a gallbladder on keto, so I don't feel like it's keto related things. It's just some bathroom issues, and I am going to start taking my MCT oil again. Maybe that will help along as well. So that's the plan, Stan. That's what I'm doing. I'm trying not to be down about our hours being cut down to 40 hours. And I know that's a full time, 40 hours is like average, but when you live and rely on your overtime, it's very difficult and hard, especially as a single mom. And I mean, I even have a roommate, so it's difficult, but I'm not gonna like just stress about it, you know what I mean? I'm going to do, I'm just gonna live. I'm gonna do what I can. That's all I can do, right? So they're talking about maybe we'll do 4 10-hour days instead of 5 8-hour days. If that's the case, that would help me save some money, because I wouldn't have to drive. You know what I mean? I drive an hour to work every day. So an hour there and an hour back. And I know some people would say, get a job closer to home. It's not that easy. First off, there's not really anything closer to home. Second, I make good money where I am now, and the most I've ever made. And third, it's halfway to my boyfriend's house. So when I finally do move in that direction, at least I'll still be able to have a job where I don't have to find a new job. I don't know, it's stuff. And I have opportunity to advance. They're talking about making me a quality engineer there, and that would be a nice upgrade in pay. So it's hard decisions. Things that I need to kind of just like wait and see. And I mean, obviously if it gets too difficult and we don't go back up on hours and stuff, then it is what it is. You gotta do what you gotta do. But we just did it all summer on 8-hour days, and I survived. So, well, I'm just going back to that. And that's the last I'm gonna address of it. I don't want to dwell on it and have things be negative. I need to stay positive for myself and for my kids. So I'm gonna eat my unwich, and I am going to try to catch up on some YouTube. I'm really behind on a lot of people's videos. I need to film something tonight for the Teal Pumpkin project that I agreed to be in with a couple other YouTubers. So mine's gonna be a little different. Like, I'm just gonna decorate my house. I'm gonna get the Halloween stuff out, and I will talk about the Teal Pumpkin project and explain what it is in the video, but I'm just gonna like decorate for Halloween in my video. So I'll talk to you guys later, and bye. Oh my god, you guys, my heart was just fluttering so fast. I was like almost in tears, and I walked outside. I got off work, I walked outside, and guess who was standing at the stairs? Chris! He has had this weekend off and planned and known that he's had this weekend off this entire time and didn't tell me, and he surprised me at work. So now I get to spend the weekend with him, and I needed it so badly. So I'm very, very excited. I just left Meijer. We just went to go get a couple of things. I got stuff to make a chicken soup because this one is sick. And I got some steaks. I'll do my full grocery. That was bad.
What?
Eating chocolate.
Oh, it's so good. I'm quick. I can do whatever I want.
I'll do my full grocery haul probably on Sunday. So I just got things to make the soup, and I don't have any noodles, so he's gonna have chicken noodle soup without, he's gonna have keto soup. We'll see if he likes it. It's hard to please this one.
Wow.
It is.
Throw me under
with
the bus.
Food, it is. These people in front of me are like, why do you have a camera?
I'm the leading source of all of your content.
They really like your song.
Maybe I'll do another one.
I bought some cheese.
Okay.
Tuesday we checked out these books. Reese already finished reading them. So we're here to get some more books.
Music, movies, me, October 19th, 11 a.m. Register request.
All the books. All the books.
As we're leaving. Thanks, babe.
You guys are lucky. This is a nice library.
Yeah, it is.
So I'm making some chicken soup. No noodle. I cut up some celery, some garlic, some carrots, and I have boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I've sauteed them a little bit in avocado oil with salt, pepper, and some parsley, and then some of this fresh Jax Herbs de Provence, which as always you can save 15% on Fresh Jax products by the link in the description. I have it in the Instapot, so it should be done in about 30 minutes. And I'm gonna go downstairs and get my Halloween stuff.
You got a lot of that.
That's the soup. It is cooked and ready to be eaten. Reese is recording for me ever so nicely.
Look at that. You wish, kid.
He's very excited. I'm drying some spoons.
Inside life.
Let me get a ladle.
It's more delicious than you guys thought. Look at that plop.
It's gonna be very hot.
I call it.
All right.